Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to cook delicious tuna fish in just 20 minutes. So let's get started. Ingredients: 2 tuna steaks, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, lemon wedges for garnishing. Instructions. Step 1. Prep the tuna steaks. Before we start cooking the tuna, let's prep the steaks. Rinse the tuna steaks in cold water and pat dry with paper towels. Season both sides of the tuna steaks with salt, pepper, paprika, and dried oregano. Step 2. Sear the tuna steaks. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, for about 30 seconds. Then add the tuna steaks to the skillet. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the tuna is browned on the outside but still pink on the inside. Step 3. Add lemon juice and soy sauce. Add soy sauce and lemon juice to the skillet. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook for a minute or 2. Make sure the sauce covers the entire tuna steak. Step 4. Plate the tuna steaks. Remove the tuna from the skillet and place it on a plate. Garnish with lemon wedges and your choice of side dish, such as steamed vegetables or rice. Now your delicious and easy to make tuna steaks are ready to be served. Enjoy!